What are you doing over there?
Let me get started.
Okay, we're here. We're at the old boat. We're taking the battery out and the other stuff. We're done with it. We got 1 or 2 nice days coming up, and I've got to spend that on the maintenance thing. We're not taking the boat out again this year. We've determined that. I don't know if you can see it, it's windy. This is the first time we've seen the sun in a week or so. It's not raining today. It is blowing, but not raining. So we'll take advantage of that. Get this thing emptied out for the winter. Ready to do the maintenance stuff. Like I said, gals and guys, you wake up one morning in Ohio and the season changed. Just that quick. That's typical. That really is. Are you happy the season changed?
No.
We'll take the trolling motor off. Those controls don't need to be exposed to any moisture and all that sort of thing here over the winter. It'll go in a nice climate controlled environment. Oh. Now just sit right there for a minute. You look happy, though.
No, I don't.
She never looks happy, folks. Don't let her kid you. The frame has met her approval. We did get the rest of her pool noodles all over it, as you can see. It's pool noodled. Yeah, the tire, anchors, all that can stay. We do need to get that battery bilge pump. Are you all right?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
Stretch where I shouldn't have stretched.
She fell the other day and bruised her buttocks and her upper leg up real bad.
My ribs.
And the ribs. And she moves wrong. It hurts. So yeah, wherever that battery pump is, our bilge pump.
I got it.
Okay, you got it already? I didn't see it.
I got it.
So, all right. Let me get this battery, this horse. Well, that appears to be it. What do you think? Nothing under the seats. We checked that. Batteries out. 6-gallon and 3-gallon tank, spare tire, battery box, anchors.
Bungees will be okay.
Yeah, bungees are fine. Yeah, they ain't all that. Playing with the paddle there a little bit. Ah, this is depressing.
Yep.
We hate winter. We hate it. And the noodles meet your approval?
Absolutely.
Or the noodles, the frame?
Absolutely.
All right. Well, focus. Let's cover this puppy up and head over to the daughters and granddaughters for supper. Beans and cornbread tonight with Miss Abby, our fishing and camping buddy, granddaughter. Bunch of vultures circling up there. Something dead. Summer's dead. Summer has passed away. Excuse me. Now's the time. I sat around and watched YouTube videos. Fishing, camping, and outdoors. And I recon places on Google Earth that we're never ever going to go to, but would be nice. You know, in reality, that's the the places you never get to, but man, that looks nice type of places, you know. So, I don't know how that one got backed around. But yeah, we're done with the boat. That's not to say there won't be a Christmas Day trip if it's 60 degrees again. But the boat is done. We're going to get it cleaned up, maintenance, and that'll be the end of the boat for the year, realistically. You all right? Don't get down there if you can't get up. I'll get it. I mean, it's pretty much as tight as it's going to get anyway. I know you got to check it. Like I said, you know, we can start trimming these up anytime. When we park it after we're done, we'll get them trimmed and melt those ends, all right? Well, she found a rock here. Let me help you out. A rock. Some kind of fossil on it. Oh, that was an extreme close-up, wasn't it? So, it's limestone. It's full of fossils. So,
I think that one's
all right.
savvy.
Everything's loaded up. Life jackets, totes, extinguisher, sump pump, bilge pump rather, stern light and pirate flag. We're good. So, all right. We'll see it here in a few days. We'll do the maintenance thing if that weather forecast holds true. I'm just thrilled to see the sun. It's cold and it's windy, but the sun's out for a change. For a change. It's been a week or more since the sun's been out here. All right. We will see you all next time.
Bye.